Right, what's going on, guys? Happy Thanksgiving. As you can tell by the turkey that I drew, it's Thanksgiving. I wanted to do my first video for everybody in Las Vegas on Thanksgiving. Thought it'd be a good idea, share some information, say happy Thanksgiving to everybody, celebrate a little bit, and at the same time, provide some information to you if you're looking at buying, selling, investing. If you're even like, dude, I think I might want to know something about real estate. Wanted to provide some information for you today, something that I keep sharing on video. I'm talking about the interest rates. I'm like, hey dude, like these interest rates, they're 30% lower than they were 1 year ago, even 6 months ago. And they just keep going down. I don't know how long they're gonna keep going down for. If you're gonna guess that, you're probably gonna be wrong if you're trying to wait to hit the bottom. People have been trying to do that since, some people since 2008, 2012, 2015. They're like, hey, it's gonna go down, something's gonna go down. And they're waiting for it to hit the bottom or whatever. Well, guess what? Everything's on discount right now. The prices didn't go down, but the interest rates did. And I wanna tell you actually visually what that means for you, as opposed to just saying, hey dude, you better buy, you should buy right now. If you've been thinking about buying, I want to show you what's going on so you can see for yourself what the difference is between a year ago or 6 months ago and right now, okay? So, buy a home. If you were buying a home 6 months ago, a year ago, this would have been your payment. This would be for like a $500,000 home, okay? So, or $500,000 mortgage. So you're not putting anything down, you're just buying the home. Say it's $550,000, you're putting $50,000 down. This is a mortgage for a $500,000 home. This was a year ago, let's call it, right? So $2,400 per month for your payment 1 year ago. Now, bam, we're at $1,900 more or less and $75 per month. This could go down even more depending on your credit, depending on certain things, depending on a lot of stuff. I've seen people buying a $300,000 home that are saving $500 a month instead of $425 a month, right? Now, something I want to point out, this is just the mortgage payment, all right? So there's a couple other things that could be factored into this if you wanted to. One of those things is HOA, excuse the handwriting. One of those things is HOA. Let's say you're gonna live in Summerlin. Let's say your HOA is $85 a month wherever you're going in Summerlin, right? So HOA is $85 a month. You're also gonna have insurance. Let's call it $100 a month for your homeowner's insurance, right? Bam, $100 a month. And then, let's see, there's also property taxes, right? So let's just say taxes, let's call it $2,400 a year, okay? So we're gonna take that, we're gonna divide it by 12, so that's $200 a month. So we're gonna have, let's add to this right here. So we're gonna add $200 a month for taxes, right? T for taxes. We're gonna add, for insurance, we're gonna add $100 a month, right? And for HOA, we're gonna add $85 a month. So we're gonna be at $27.85 per month for your actual total monthly. If you want to include all of those things, most people, I wouldn't include HOA. If I was you, if I was looking at my payment, I wouldn't be like, hey, what's the HOA? The HOA is a part of my payment. But you could do that if you want to, right? Let's take everything into account. Now, if you're looking at this, you might as well add another $385 a month on this one, right, for right now, right? So if you're adding another $385 a month, you're gonna be at 2,000, what is that? Do I need a calculator? You're gonna be at 2,460 bucks, all right? Let's call it 2,460 bucks. For a $500,000 home right now in Summerlin with these types of discounts. Now, that's a great reason to buy a home, right? A huge discount compared to a year ago. 300, 400 bucks. In some cases, like I said, it could be double that. But I'm very conservative. I'm not trying to tell you, hey, you're gonna save 300 or 400 bucks a month and then all of a sudden you save 200 bucks a month. I'd rather tell you, hey, you're gonna save 300-400 bucks a month, than all of a sudden you save 800 bucks a month, 600 bucks a month, you know what I mean? So, being very conservative with this, and I'm just trying to provide the best information for you so that you can make the best decision for you and your family. Now, this is just if you're buying a home. What a lot of people are doing is, for example, if you bought a home 2 years ago and you're looking to sell it right now. Well, geez, man, I mean, 2 years ago, what were the interest rates? The interest rates 2 years ago were freaking 4.5, 5%. So pretty crazy. Don't know if you can see that there. Interest rates were 4.5, 5% 2 years ago. So your payment's way higher than this from a year ago. And your interest rate now, you'd have this payment. So you might be paying over here friggin' 2,800 bucks. Or let's go down here. You might be paying 3,300 bucks a month from 2018 if you bought a home, right? Well, if you bought in 2018, your home probably went up in value a little bit. So what you can do, you can sell your home. A lot of people are selling their home right now. They're taking the equity that they have. Maybe they even bought in 2015, 16, 17, and they have their payment, right? They're taking the equity that they have. They're moving it into their next home. They're just putting that as their down payment, not really costing anything out of pocket for them most of the time. And they're upgrading their house and getting a cheaper payment than they did for their $300,000 house when they're buying a $500,000 house now. So they're having a cheaper payment, sometimes the same, maybe 100 bucks more, but they're getting double the home. That's why a lot of people are selling their homes right now, aside from just taking out the equity and having some money in the bank to live off of just in case this Corona thing actually turns into some kind of crash, turns into some kind of crisis. Put some money in the bank, play it safe, put part of the down payment on the house. We're gonna have a nicer house, the payment's gonna be cheaper, we're not worried about it. It's not like, oh my God, our payment doubled. It's not like, hey, we're taking a risk here. It's like, hey, we're gonna pay 2,000 bucks a month anyway on our house. Let's go pay 200,000 or $2,000 on a different home and get an upgrade, right? Who wouldn't want to do that? I know I would. I don't know if you would, but that's what a lot of people are doing coming here from California too. And then, depending on how much equity you have a bunch of money in the bank still, and you have that kind of safety net, right? Whether maybe you want to invest after, maybe you just want a safety net and you want the money to lose value in your bank account over every single year or every single month, or as the government keeps printing money. But that's for a different topic. So, I hope everybody learned something today. If you happen to be looking to invest instead of buy or sell, you would have a little bit higher interest rate, but still, the interest rate is 1%, 2% lower than it was 1 year ago, and 3% lower than it was 2 years ago. So if you're looking to make a move.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Looks like that video cut out. So look, hey, the real point is hey, maybe you've been looking to do something since 2015, 16, 17, and you look back and you're like, hey, I should have done something then. Like, it was a great time. I thought it was going to go down. I thought the economy was going to go down. I thought the house prices were going to go down. I've been waiting for a long time, or I've been waiting a long time to sell or to invest in a property, flip a house, whatever you're looking to do, you know? If you've been waiting, I'm telling you, now is the time. Now is the time, guys. You can't do anything about 2015, 16. That's over. You can't change that. That sucks. But now is the time, and now is one of those times that you may regret if you've been thinking about doing something, or if you're just thinking about doing something for the first time. You might regret not doing something now. I'm telling you. I mean, I would. This is an amazing time. This is an amazing time, and I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy, and I'm gonna move towards my investment goals. And if you want me to share more information about that, super happy to. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I provided some information that actually helps. If you have any questions about it, DM down below. Check me out on Facebook. Go ahead and reach out to me via DM. Reach out to me, 702-935-1396. Super happy to help. If you have ideas about videos, or if you have questions that you want answered, videos that you want done, go ahead, comment down below. I want to provide that information for you. The goal here is to provide the information to help you to give you the information and the knowledge you need so you can feel confident buying, selling, investing, or whatever your real estate goals are in the future. All right, I want to provide that knowledge for you so you can depend on this place to come here and know that you're going to get honest, relevant, up-to-date information. All right, everybody be safe. Hope you had an awesome Thanksgiving. Hope it was amazing with you and your family. You be safe. You take care. God bless.